Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your navigation menu in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to highlight important calls to action like Contact Us, Shop Now, or Get Started right in your site's header where visitors can easily see and click on them. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all of your websites and projects in one place. Now from your dashboard, locate the website where you want to add the button to your navigation menu and simply click on it. This will open up that specific site's management area, giving you access to all the tools and settings you need to customize your site's design and functionality. Once you're inside, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This button opens up the visual editor where you can make changes to your site's layout and design in real time. After clicking it, you'll see an Edit button appear. Go ahead and click that to enter the editing mode. Now it's time to locate your header section. The header is the area at the top of your website where your logo and navigation menu typically live. Click on your header to select it, and then look for the option that says Add Elements. Click on that, and you'll see several options appear. From these options, enable the button feature. This adds a clickable button element directly into your header navigation area. With the button now visible in your header, click on it to select it. You'll notice a small pencil icon appear, which is your gateway to editing the button's content and settings. Click on that pencil icon to open up the customization panel. Here's where you can personalize your button. Start by editing the text inside the button. You might want to use something clear and action-oriented like Get Started, Shop Now, or Contact Us, depending on what you want visitors to do. Below the text field, you'll see an option to attach a link to the button. This is crucial because it determines where users will be taken when they click. You can link to any page on your site, an external URL, or even a file download. Next, click on the Design tab within the Customization panel. Squarespace gives you 3 button style options: primary, secondary, or tertiary. Each style corresponds to different visual emphasis levels based on your site's design system. Primary buttons are typically the most prominent, while tertiary buttons are more subtle. Choose the style that best fits your site's aesthetic and the importance of the call to action. Once you're satisfied with your button's text, link, and design style, click Save to apply all your changes. Your new button is now live in your navigation menu, ready to guide visitors exactly where you want them to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.